Hello students, welcome back to my channel and let's start another video lesson with me. In this lesson, we are going to learn about how to write a problem solution essay. So far, we have seen how to write a line graph essay, then a discussion essay, an advantages and disadvantages essay. If you haven't checked those, you can go back to my channel and check those videos. The last one in the series is the problem and solution essay. For your mid-semester exam, task 1 is line graph and task 2 will be any one of these essays. Either you will be asked to write a discussion essay or advantages and disadvantages essay or a problem and solution essay. Any one will come. So let's look at how to write a problem and solution essay. Before we begin writing, we need to understand the difference between the problem and solution essay and the other essays. A problem and solution essay can be asked in two different ways. As you can see here, in the question, you will be presented with a problem and the examiner will ask you to write the causes of the problem. What causes this problem? For example, a lot of road accidents are happening in Oman. What are the causes of the accidents? And then you need to provide the solutions, the ways by which you can control these road accidents. Or a problem will be given to you like road accidents in Oman, and it will ask the effects of it. That means what happens when there are a lot of accidents. And then you have to give solutions to stop this or to control the problem. It is either what problems does this cause or what are the causes of this problem. They are the two different things. Very minor difference is there between the two. Problem is given to you and you have to give the causes of the problem. That is one way of writing. Another way, problem will be given to you and you have to write the effects. What problems will happen because of that particular problem? These are the two ways. Any one will be asked to you in exam. If you did not understand it, you can write in the comment section and I'll try to explain it again. Let's move on. You need to give the solutions here. Now, while giving the solutions, first you have to write about the causes. What causes the problem and what are the causes of the problem? You have to mention whatever is asked to you in the exam. And then you have to write the solutions. Now, solutions could be the preventive measures, means the ways you can prevent the problem. For example, how to prevent obesity, how you can stop the problem of obesity, you can suggest. Suggestions are the easiest and it's the most obvious solution. You can give them the solutions like how you can stop a certain problem. And you can give the advice and some helpful hints. Now, here is the question. One problem faced by many large cities worldwide is traffic congestion. This is the problem. What is the problem? Traffic congestion. Now, what do you think the causes are? What causes traffic congestion and what solutions can you suggest? This is the question and that's how you will get the question in the exam. Spend some time to read and understand the question if it is asking you for the causes or the effects. Now here it is asking you what causes traffic congestion in large cities and what solutions do you have to offer. Identify three different types of words: the topic word, other words, and instruction words. The topic word here is traffic congestion. That is a problem. The instruction words is the causes. What do you think the causes are and what solutions can you suggest? Then you can begin to write your essay. Before, when you analyze the question, there are three things you need to ask yourself before you begin to write. What is the problem? What are the causes? And what are the solutions? I suggest write in the blank side of your exam paper with pencil these three things when a problem and solution essay is given for you. Write down first what is the problem. Check the question and see if it is asking you for the causes of the problem or effects of the problem. Write it there. Then write what are the solutions. You may use this kind of mind map, to write your answers. Now let's look at it one by one. What is the problem? The problem is traffic congestion. What are the causes? The first cause is more vehicles on the roads these days, and most families now own more than one car. When there are more number of cars, there will be more vehicles on the road. And when there are more vehicles on the road, it will be difficult to control the traffic and the roads will be all the time congested. So that's the main cause of the traffic congestion. Another cause. Public transport is often inconvenient and overcrowded. If at all a city has a public transport system, it is often inconvenient, not comfortable, and overcrowded means a lot of people will be there on it. So that is why people are going in their personal cars, and that's how there is a lot of congestion. So these are the causes of the problem. Now, what solution can you give to this? We can say better infrastructure. That means the road should be wide, or there should be more than one way to reach a particular place. Car sharing scheme. For example, if three or four students are coming from the same area, instead of coming in their own cars, they can come in one car. That is car sharing schemes. Another solution you can offer is more frequent and comfortable buses and taxis would encourage people to use public transport. Because public transport is not comfortable, you can have the comfortable buses and taxis. If it is there, then people would prefer to go in there. Now, how you are going to write? Let's look at the structure. First, by looking at the question, you need to decide these three things. You need to see what is the problem, write it down. What are the causes of the problem? Think and write down 4 to 5 causes of it. Solutions, think what solutions you can offer to this and write 4 to 5 solutions in the blank page of your exam paper. Then the structure. Let's look at the essay structure for the problem and solution essay. This essay also starts with the introduction as usual, like how you did with the discussion essay and the advantages and disadvantages essay. You start by paraphrasing the question or giving the background information, how you have been doing for the other essays. Then you need to write your thesis statement or your outline sentence. Say what you will discuss in this essay. You will discuss the problems and then you offer the solutions. That thing you have to mention. That is your thesis statement. Now, next you will write the body paragraph 1 where you mention the causes. State the topic sentence like there are many causes of this problem. And what are the causes? 3 causes or effects, whatever the question is asking you to do. Then write the causes and explain by giving examples. In advantages and disadvantages, you are writing only 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages, explaining and giving example. But here you are going to write 3 causes and then you explain and give example. In the next paragraph, which is your solutions paragraph, again you start the paragraph with the topic sentence, give 3 solutions, and then you explain and give examples. Finally, you will end the essay with the conclusion. Remember, do not include any new ideas in the conclusion, but whatever you have mentioned in the body paragraphs of causes and solutions, just take the summary of it use synonyms or use it as it is by replacing some words with their synonyms and write it in the conclusion. Basically, you have to summarize here. No need to include any new information. Okay. Now, let's look at some words or phrases which you can use to begin your paragraph. When you are introducing the causes, you can begin your paragraph by saying a major cause of. Of, you will write the topic. What was our problem here? Traffic congestion. A major cause of traffic congestion is more number of vehicles on road. The major cause of this is more number of vehicles on the road. The main cause of this is more number of vehicles on the road, like that. Okay. A further cause, an additional cause will be used when you are talking about the other causes. For the first one, you will use a major cause of the main cause. For the other causes, you will use a further cause, an additional cause, another cause, like that. If the question asks you to write the effects of the problem, then you will use the word a major effect of, a main effect of for the first one. And for the subsequent ones, for the other effects, you will use a further effect, an additional effect, another effect. Okay. Now, when you are writing the solutions, you will give a lot of solutions there, at least 3 solutions. And you use the linking words given here. First and foremost, the public transport should be made convenient or comfortable, easily accessible, frequent. That is your first point, right? So first and foremost, write your first solution. Another possible solution is give your second solution. In addition or moreover, give your third solution, or use the word finally and give your last solution. Okay. Introduction, you paraphrase the question, write the thesis statement and the concluding sentence. For the body paragraphs, you begin your first sentence by saying a major cause of, if the question is asking you to write the causes of a problem, or a major effect of, if the question is asking you to write the effects of the problem. Then, when you are writing about the other causes, you use the words a further cause of, an additional cause of, or another cause of. Then in the next paragraph, you write the solutions. When you write the solutions, for the first solution, you say first and foremost and write your solution and explain with example. Then say another possible solution is, give your second solution, example and explanation. Finally, give your last solution and explain it. Clear? Now, let's have a look at one of the sample answers. More and more people claim that modern work patterns are a source of stress. What do you think are the causes of this? What are the causes of the stress or the modern work pattern causes stress? What are the causes? Can you suggest possible solutions? So you start with more and more. More and more means an increasing number. So we have paraphrased it like that. More and more becomes an increasing. People becomes individuals. An increasing number of individuals. Claim becomes argue that the way we work nowadays, modern is now, this is the modern society. So instead of writing modern, we changed it to the way we work nowadays leads to stress. Source of stress or leads to stress. That is the paraphrase of the question. Then the thesis statement. This essay will explore a number of reasons for this and it will suggest some ways of addressing the problem. This is your thesis statement. If you observe, it is very similar to the introduction you have written for your discussion essay and advantages and disadvantages essay. You are simply paraphrasing the question by changing some words with their synonyms and writing the thesis statement. The thesis statement basically tells what you are going to do or what this essay is going to give. So this essay will explore or give or explain a number of reasons for this, for the problem. And it will suggest some solutions for this. Now, first paragraph, body paragraph 1, you write the causes. First, you will say the main cause of, or there are several causes of stress. One major cause is shift work. Now explain. Then say what will happen as a result. Another reason is deadlines. Explain. A third cause of stress workforce is new technology. Explain. Okay? You need not give example for all the three causes because time will not be sufficient and it will increase the number of words. You only need to write 250 words. So if you are giving three causes, just explain them clearly and give example for one of the cause and that will be enough. Then you will write the solutions. To reduce the stress, a number of solutions can be followed. This is the topic sentence. Or there are a lot of solutions to the problem of stress caused by modern work patterns. You can write like that also. And say the solutions. Three solutions you have to give and explain to them clearly. Finally, you write the conclusion. Now, in conclusion, the three main reasons. What are the three reasons you mentioned? Shift work, deadlines, and new technology. Mention those three and how they can be dealt with. You can give the three solutions here. You can mention the solutions or you can simply say following the solutions which I have outlined above. Both the ways you can do it. And that will be it for your essay. Here you have a topic. Nowadays, many people have access to computers on a wide basis, and a large number of children play computer games. What are the negative impacts of playing computer games? See here, this question is asking you to write the effects of playing computer games. It is not asking you what are the causes, why children play computer games. No, it's not asking you that. It's asking you what will happen when children play computer games, negative effects of playing computer games and what can be done to minimize the bad effects. That means you need to give the solution. Identify the words, three different types of words, that is the topic word, other words and instruction words, and then you can begin to write your problem and solution essay. You can practice this for your exam, and if you get a question like this, make sure to follow the structure which I have given previously in the video. Write down the important points on the blank sheet of your exam paper and then begin writing, and always spend some time to read the question. So here the problem is children playing computer games. What will happen when children play computer games? Two or three problems. Three problems. What will happen? It will cause health problems for them because they are sitting all the time and playing computer games. They will lose focus in studies and get bad grades. And then it will affect their mental development also when they play continuously on the screen. These are the problems. What solutions can you offer? Like minimize the time for using the mobile phone, or parents should have a time lock on the phone, or children should be entertained or encouraged to play outdoor games. These are the solutions you can give, and then finally you will write the conclusion. Comparatively, advantages, disadvantages, and problem and solution are much easier than the other type of essays. The only thing is you need to practice. Okay, these were references. I hope you understood how to write a problem and solution essay. If you do, please like this video and share it with your friends who might also get some help from this. And don't forget to subscribe the channel so that if I upload any new video lesson, you will be notified. I'll be coming up with more essay structures and essays, and also with the grammar topics of level 4. So stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye.